Good morning. I wanted to show you guys how I get my day started, my skincare routine. Out. Jeez. Let's get started. Sunshine, you give the flowers plenty water. So I simply start off by getting a warm towel, and I use a warm towel to open up my pores. It is so refreshing on your skin. That warm towel just feels so good on your face. Next, I use a face pad with alcohol to clean or wipe off any excess dirt. I have oily skin. So here I have my face mask. I would like to show you the texture of it. And I use my brush so I won't have to use my hands. But I still wash my hands before applying. So here we go. I'm not ashamed to say it, but it's visible. As you can see, my my lips done got a back dog and stuff.
I can fix that.
I got this. So, in order to fix that problem, so this is my lip scrub. I use it as it's needed, but for a routine, I use it twice a day for up to 3 days. I use a lip scrub brush to apply my lip scrub so I won't have to use my hands. The lip scrub brush is more effective than your hands because of the small bristles on the brush. It's gentle on your lips and won't cause any damage. Now for the drying process. So now that it's drying up, I'm about to go wash it off and stuff. And usually I would scrub it off, but I'm gonna just go ahead and wash it off with some cool water, and I'll be right back. These are my natural care products. My turmeric mask I also use as needed, but for a routine, I use it twice a day for a week for the best results. This is my cinnamon lip scrub. The link is below for purchase. Alright, so usually when I'm done, I use my vitamin C serum for the daytime. I have very oily skin, so I don't need like oils on my face, if that makes sense. And they make me sweat when I go outside from humidity and stuff. So I need to, aftercare is very important. You want to make sure that your skin is moisturized when you're about to go outside and stuff. I'm not finna sit here and preach to y'all. Y'all be knowing. So now it's time to get the day started. Even if y'all not doing nothing today, get up, do your skincare routine, your lip care routine. It's a pretty day. When you look good, you feel good, I promise you. My link is down below for my products. And I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you leave reviews and let me know. Have a good day. Sunshine, you give the